All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with Mackie Macaron in titanium. Here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this fella. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella because I really like it. So let's quickly check this size with 1.7 inches in diameter and 1 inch in thickness. This guy is a chunky boy. It's pretty thick. It's not too big because, for example, I don't know, some other stuff that I can show you here. You get the AC EDC Milkia, the KW EDC Coke bottle to see how big this fella is. Black mirror design, telephone dial also is, you see, like a little bit bigger. The Lauti Mili dealer, it's smaller than that. Amburi coin, for example, that's the mid-size right there, and here you get to see the full size. So it gives you like a perspective of the size of this fella. Just check out also like the Muji capsule and the Tom EDC Mahjong tile. So that's pretty much it about the size comparison. But what we have here is a very interesting spinner. This is a titanium version. I believe there's copper, brass. You can find other materials, but the idea, the concept behind that is going to be the same. So as you can see, there's like 3 parts, basically the buttons, the outer layer, and the core. So you can spin the outer layer, but that's going to drag inevitably, as you can see, the core, which is spinning independently. And that's the cool part. Also, check this out. If you grab a UV light and you spin this fella, and you shine the light, you're gonna see some Tritz vial like getting lit up, and that's a fantastic thing. So you see, you can install vials on the inside core, and you're gonna create a nice effect. So just to show you real quick how this guy is made, because the machining is very interesting. Look at that. Look at the skeletonization going on in these rings, for example, which are kind of like retainers for the core, which you can see, the treats are there. There's actually one missing, look at that. But still, that's the core, which goes here. You got 2 rings, they go on both sides. This guy just sandwiches in like that, just screw that in together. So it's gonna be basically sandwiching that, and boom, the buttons are in. Maybe this guy goes from this side, this guy goes here. Just screw the buttons in and you're done. So that is a pretty cool one. The sound, it's not loud, but you can definitely feel it because the central part, of course, spinning, there's a little bit of rubbing. But it's a nice sound for sure. Let's quickly check the weight on this guy, because it's titanium, yes, so it's going to be lighter than you would expect, but still there's a little bit of heft to it. 3.74 ounces, so not too shabby. These guys are running, I think, in the $200 range because they are discontinued, pretty rare. Good luck finding one, especially with treats, but for sure it's a pretty cool looking one. Of course, it's the Macaron, and it's reminiscent of the delicious cookie. It's the feel also is very good because you see the indentation, the concave buttons are making this toy pretty comfy in your hand, in your finger, and the look is just mesmerizing. It's a home run in my books, and it's pretty cool. What Mackie did in this one, it's very clever. I love the fact that you can see through these windows the core spinning, and the fact that you can actually use some UV light. It's even cooler. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.